Hello everyone and welcome back to another new video. So here I'm gonna show you how to make Zoom meeting and get the link on phone. So that's pretty simple. In first tab, open the Zoom app. And if you don't have an account on Zoom app, in the first tab you need to sign up on the Zoom and create an account. And after creating the account in your Zoom, at the left side corner you will see the Meet option. Select this option and here you can see the option video on. If you want to turn on your video, you can choose the option. So after selecting the option, tap on the start a meeting option. And here it will take us some time. So now here we are done. We have created the Zoom meeting. Now here you can see the option participant. Tap on this option. And at the left side corner, you will see the option invite. And from here, you can copy the invite link. And that's it. Now we have get the link, and now we can give the link by WhatsApp, Messenger, or any other one, and people can join your meeting. So that's the way how we can make a Zoom meeting and get the link. Hope this video find you helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe this channel for more tips and tricks.